not into the bright colours of the brown trim, we do have a nice black neutral one for you as well. So we've got your 28, your 24, your 20 and your 13-inch vanity as well. This actually has none of the brown or any of the bright colours, it's just really nice matte neutral black. Your divider, zip and plastic strap inside the vanity. So this is your under-seat personal item. And then this is the cases themselves, so 360 wheels, TSA locked again. This one will be your overhead, the 24 and the 28 will be your check-in. Again, zip pocket, adjustable strap, and divider like so. Again, same price as the others, £112 down from £160.